Take command of the road in the 2007 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, five-passenger truck is still under 75,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, and remote keyless entry. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.